no. Awful, I'm so sorry. I lost my dog recently. Were you very close? Yeah. Oh no. Just my wife. Oh my gosh. Could she be ill? Yeah. Even so. Who are you?
I'm not jumping off the end of there, lady.